Now, a story that's very important to my family and should be to you. Doctors say 1 in 3 Americans will die from heart disease. And as Ashley Zilka tells us tonight, you can fight heart disease by becoming aware.
Doctors are using this website to save lives. Heart disease and stroke are an epidemic in the United States. That's why doctors and patients have launched the Million Hearts Initiative. Cardiologist Dr. Timothy Malins is part of the Million Hearts program. It's centered around the Awarness website. The website provides primary prevention, information that will help prevent that first heart attack or stroke. Dr. Malins says since 1984 there's been more deaths from heart disease in women than men. The website explains how symptoms for women are not what most think.
Could be back pain, more shortness of breath, sweating, and it doesn't, for some reason, trigger the alarm bells, which is understandable, and so they wait a longer time.
Wondering if you're at risk for a heart attack? Go to the Heart Attack Risk Calculator, answer a few questions, and find out. Ashley Zilka, News 8.
2 million heart attacks and strokes occur every year. The goal of this initiative is to prevent 1 million from happening over the next 5 years. If you'd like information, we've got it on our website. Just go to rochesterhomepage.net and look for the story on the front page.
Heart disease is the most common cause of death in the U.S.
Believe it or not, it kills 1 in 3 Americans, but a new local initiative is trying to save lives. Ashley Zilka says it focuses on teaching people the risks.
When it comes to heart disease, there are risk factors we cannot change.
You know, our genetics, whether we're males are more prone to having coronary disease early on, but females have a little bit more of a difficult time because they have different symptoms as well as after menopause.
But most risk factors for heart attacks and strokes can be prevented. That's why doctors and patients have launched the Million Hearts Initiative. 2 million heart attacks and strokes occur every year. The goal to prevent 1 million of those over 5 years. Doctors are using the website to save lives and stop the epidemic. Cardiologist Dr. Timothy Malins is part of the Million Hearts program. It's centered around the Awarness website. Dr. Malins says it's all about the ABCs. A for aspirin therapy, B for blood pressure control, C for cholesterol management, and S for stop smoking.
Primary prevention is we're going to prevent that first heart attack or stroke, where secondary prevention is we're already treating somebody who's already had a stroke.
Dr. Malins says you might be surprised to learn since 1984, more women have died than men from heart disease. The symptoms for women can be different from men.
Could be back pain, more shortness of breath, sweating, and it doesn't, for some reason, trigger the alarm bells, which is understandable, and so they wait a longer time.
Wondering if you're at risk for a heart attack? Go to the Heart Attack Risk Calculator, answer a few questions, and find out. Ashley Zilka, News 8.
We've got a lot more information on heart disease and saving lives on our website, rochesterhomepage.net. Look for Ashley's story right on the front page.